Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you the most up-to-date guide to get realistic cinematic photos using AI with the newly launched version 6 from Midjourney, their most advanced model. So one thing to bear in mind is that at the point of recording this video, version 6 is still in its alpha state. So when it's fully released, there will no doubt be significant changes to it. In this video, I'm going to be comparing version 5.2 and version 6 to see the differences between the two and how it's going to make a difference to you and your AI photography. Version 6 has the ability to integrate text in an image rather than just laying on top of it. This is something that version 5.2 really struggled to do, so this is going to make a real difference to your AI. First of all, we're just going to need to make sure that you're using version 6 of Midjourney. So if you type /settings and make sure you choose version 6. One of the key things about version 6 is that it's a lot more sensitive to your prompts, so it should read and understand a lot more of what you're putting in. So you don't need to put in things like photorealistic, 4K or 8K anymore. You still do need to be super clear about what you want, but it is a lot better at understanding you. We've also got improved upscalers now with subtle and creative, which you'll see once you generate and submit a prompt. Okay, so let's jump into it and start exploring Midjourney version 6 with our first prompt. So for our first prompt, I have done cinematic photo of two men having a coffee. The first man has dark hair and a dark beard. The second man is bold with a beard, both laughing, relaxed. Then I've done that aspect ratio 16.9 and also style raw as well. So if we click on what version 5.2 has generated for us, you can see that it's only really done the prompt in quadrant 2. So there's a guy with dark hair with a dark beard. But if you can see his arms, they really don't look relaxed. All four images have a coffee and they've got laughing men and everything. So I would say it's only sort of understood it in quadrant 2. If we click on what version 6 has generated for us, you can see that in every picture, there is a man with dark hair and a dark beard, and the second man is a bold man with a beard and laughing, and you've got coffee cups. So to me, version 6 has generated a lot better image than version 5.2 in my eyes. Okay, so in this next prompt, I typed in cinematic, mermaids playing underwater, fishes are swimming around them, aspect ratio 16.9, style 250, style raw. So to me, version 6 did a way better job, as it has at least two mermaids in every picture with fishes swimming around them, and the picture looks a lot more cinematic with a wider frame. Version 5.2 isn't bad, but it has only generated one mermaid in each picture. But there are fish swimming around, which is good. But to me, I definitely think version 6 has absolutely smashed it here and understood my prompt a whole lot better. Okay, so I have done another prompt just to compare the two versions again. So this time I typed in photograph, a couple in their 30s in their garden, looking happy and content. Behind them is green lawn and flowers, Canon EOS 5D. I did aspect ratio 16.9, style 250, and then style raw. So these are results that came up, and to me, version 6 was hands down so much better than version 5.2. Version 6 has got a real feeling of realism to the pictures, whereas I feel that 5.2 aesthetic has a fake sort of airbrushed vibe to them. And then when I did look closer, I didn't quite think that all couples looked like they were in their 30s in version 6. I wasn't sure if it was because I added Stylise of 250. So obviously the lower the level of style that you add to your picture, the better the prompt understanding will be. So I changed the prompt and took out Stylise, and the pictures came out a lot better. Again, to me, version 6 came up trumps out of the two, but I have to be fair, 5.2 didn't do a bad job at all. So after comparing those 3 prompts, I have to say that I can definitely see a huge change and improvement with version 6, understanding the prompts so much better and generating more accurate results. So let's move on to the next comparison, which is photorealism. I'm going to do the same thing and generate 3 different images and compare version 5.2 to version 6. For this next challenge, I wanted to test photorealism, so I created 3 different prompts in version 5.2 and 6 to compare the difference, and the results were amazing. Images look so much more detailed in version 6, and I think it's really clear to see that Midjourney is reading and understanding prompts so much better. Also, that airbrushed kind of fake feel that version 5.2 produces is gone, and I feel that you get a real improved quality of photorealism with version 6. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really helps our channel so much and we really appreciate it. Stay tuned for lots more videos coming on Midjourney version 6. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.